This is set number. This area, before we start, this is where we want the camera to face. The camera will face this side, the first point, from here to here. Then the second one will take this shape from here to here. You'll be able to monitor the activities going on within this environment. And when this is done, you can actually have a security system that will control here. There will be nothing like tests. Let me equally show you the cameras we want to install. I can never be poor. I can never be poor. I will never be poor. I will never be poor. This is solar powered camera, as you can see. Trust the process as I unveil it shortly. You'll see how it's been done. First, let's keep it in such a way that to be charging first. Let me unveil it here. What will I use? Where do you think I should use? Okay, just follow me. Open the camera. All right, pause.